Hello friends, today I am going to talk about GATE 2021 strategy planning through which you can get all India rank 1. Already the notification is out and now students are starting preparation. And now this is the best time. From here you should at least start preparation if you want to crack GATE with flying colors. I will let you the plan, and that plan is based upon my experience of 20 years with GATE and engineering services. About me, my name is Saurabh Pandey, and I have qualified GATE with All India rank 12. Then I qualified for NTPC, worked for NTPC, then got selected for engineering services 5 times. I have worked for Government of India and now a senior faculty in MEDISI, one of the prime institute related with GATE and engineering services preparation. So you can say that is mainly based upon my experience for the last 12 years of teaching and 20 years of engagement with GATE examinations. Now, first of all, the good news is this year engineering services for 221 has been shifted from January to July. Means now the students can fully focused for GATE 2021. Now there is no bother of along with that GATE preparation of engineering services. You have got sufficient time after GATE to prepare for engineering services prelims. That's why we are mainly focusing for GATE. In this video, I'm going to tell you the plan, the timetable which you should follow for the next 5 months. In the next video, I will cover up the procedure to make short notes, then the revision strategy planning, and then the third one, important topics through which you can get good marks. See, I am going to cover for mechanical, but that will work. Strategy planning will work for any other branch also, maybe for civil, electrical, electronics. And the students, if those who want for civil, electrical and electronics, please write in the comment box. I will work out for the important topics and with my colleagues working in my coaching institute, and I will try to give you the best out of those. But first of all, my dear friends, very important for success, it is very important you should be dedicated, you should be sincere enough, and you should sacrifice something. And that's why you should have the zeal to excel in GATE 2021. That's why give 100% and try to follow my strategy plan. And trust me, if you are able to follow it, 90% also, you should be in the toppers list. See, I have divided the next 5 months for the preparation of GATE into 3 phases, and they are different from the droppers and as well as fresher. So I will first of all cover for the dropper part. Now, if we talk about droppers are those who have already covered the GATE syllabus, those who have already maybe attended the coaching institute and appeared for the last year for the GATE examination. And that's why they have the basic knowledge, and that's why they require a little bit less time. To see, this will be the schedule for the droppers point. For the dropper point, I have divided them into 3 phases. The first one, Major Sahab, second one is Junior Sahab, and the third one mainly focusing revision and test series. The first phase will be of 65 days, that will start from 1st September to 4th November. That will be total 65 days, and in this 65 days, out of that 58 days, you have to cover Major Sahab syllabus. I will let you know what are the Major Sahab. Then 7 days will be for the subjective test paper. The second phase will be of 46 days starting from 5th November to 20th December. In this phase, you have to cover 75% of the time you should be covering Junior Sahab, and rest 25% of the time you should be giving for the revision of Major Sahab. Then the third phase, that will be of mainly revision and test series and improvement. That will be of 42 days starting from 21st December to 31st January. Now, out of that, see, these are the Major Sahab. Now, Major Sahab are those topics which are very, very important, and their weightage is very, very high. These are the 6 topics which are very important for mechanical engineers, and I have given the days along with that, how much time you should devote for every topic. Like for mathematics, that will be 8 days. For strength of material, so 10 days. For production, it will be 14 days. Then fluid mechanics and machinery, I have combined fluid machinery along with that, 10 days. Theory of machine plus vibration will be 8 days. And then the last one, reasoning aptitude, 8 days. Now here, if you talk about reasoning aptitude, you can spare out some time. It requires normally lesser time. Already if you have covered, you can cover it in maybe 5 or 6 days also. Now these are total 58 days which you have to give to these Major Sahab. And these are very important in the sense, you see, their weightage. These are their weightage in GATE examination. For the last, you can say 5-6 years, their weightage is this much. Out of 100 marks, 71 marks you are getting from these portions only. Means in the 58 days, if you are going to cover them, 71 marks almost certain for you. Don't miss out these topics. They are very, very important. Now, how you are going to cover this Major Sahab portion? About for that strategy planning, see, that will be time phase will be from 1st September to 4th November, 65 days. Daily minimum you have to give 12 hours. Lot of students may be shocked, oh, 12 hours, how you can? I know, it is very easy. I have already studied maybe 15 or 16 or 18 hours a day also possible, but continuously it will be difficult. That's why only 12 hours starting now. 12 hours daily from the 1st of September you have to give. 12 hours effective study is required. Switch off your mobile phone, Facebook, WhatsApp, everything. You should be mainly sincere about your studies. Now that I have divided this phase of 65 days into 6 steps. The first one, go through Made Easy class notes. Already we have covered in the class. Go through those your class notes. They are very important. Trust me, the Made Easy faculties, they are best in their field. They are dedicated throughout the time for their course syllabus, and they are going to give the best notes available with anyone. That's why I try to cover, first of all, go through the class notes. Then after that, if you have already made short notes, then go through that revision portion. But if you have not covered, prepare short notes. Now short notes should be very small, very brief, mainly important formulae relations that you should revise at any point of time in a very short time. I will in the next video cover up the strategy how to make short notes, and that's maybe very helpful for you. Maybe after 3-4 days that video will be released. Then the third one will be Made Easy GATE previous year papers. After topic subject is completed, you should go through the GATE previous year paper also. Made Easy solutions are reliable. You can go through them. You can trust them. See, if we talk about engineering services prelims, that is in July, but those questions may be very helpful for the GATE also. To go through the ES objective paper. Then the fifth one, subject wise, your test series. Made Easy test series you can join. That will be almost same questions which you can get in GATE. And then the last one, whatever the mistakes you are making in the test series, mark it, note it down, and try to rectify it. Work on improving on that. That should be your strategy for the 6 subjects which I have told 5 days. Then after that we move to the second one, Junior Sahab. Now Junior Sahabs are those topics, those subjects which are important but not much important like Major Sahab. That's why I have given the name Junior Sahab. Now again here 6 subjects are there. Thermo, power plant, and along with that IC engine also I have included, that we have to give near about 12 days. Industrial for that 8 days. Design we will denote 8 days. Heat and mass transfer 8 days. Then after that engineering mechanics near about 5 days, and the last one RAC, refrigeration air conditioning, near about 5 days. That will complete total 56 days. And here if you note it down, the time I have given it is little bit extra. Now little bit extra in the sense ki out of these time, whatever the time, like it 12 days, out of 12 days 75% mean 9 days you should give for this topic, and 3 days will be for the revision portion of already covered Major Sahab. Major Sahab को cover करना है आपको. Now see their weightage. Now if we talk about their weightage, their total weightage is 27 marks. In 46 you can cover 27 marks. Now only the questions which have been asked from these portion are of 27 marks. But you cannot neglect them. If you want good rank, these marks are also very, very important for you. The next, the strategy for this second phase, out of 46 days, 75% time for the Junior Sahab and 25% time for the revision portion of Major Sahab. Means here also again you have to study 12 hours daily, but out of that 12 hours, 9 hours daily you should give for the Junior Sahab syllabus. Means daily whatever the subject you are studying, like thermodynamics, 9 hours for thermodynamics and 3 hours that will be for the revision portion of your already covered Major Sahab portion. Means it may be possible along with thermodynamics you should keep on revising strength of material. Along with that parallel, revision will be with the help of short notes. In the next video I will give detailed information about revision. Then the next is third phase. The third phase will be of 42 days starting 21st December to 31st January. Now this will be the phase your syllabus is completed. You should keep on revising the topic. You have to revise and then go for the test series, and then you keep on improving it. See, practice is the best thing you require. जितने ज़्यादा आपकी प्रैक्टिस होगी उतनी आपकी स्पीड बढ़ेगी एंड उतने ही आपके अनफोर्स्ड एरर कम होने लग जाएंगे. So that's why try to give more time for the practice, and in this phase we have to cover that. See this, our timing will also increase. Daily we have to give near about 12 to 15 hours. That is automatically, no need to worry. Automatically, as the exam time will come nearer, automatically your time schedule automatically will increase. Just before, maybe gate, before 1 or 2 days before gate, maybe you must be studying 18, 19 hours also possible. Now see the circle. Revision, first of all you have to revise, then go through the full length test series, full syllabus test series. Then whatever the mistakes you are making in the test series, you should mark it, you should note it. And then you should work out how those mistakes can be removed. We have to work on it, and that is the proper planning for the next 42 days. That will be in the third phase. So that is the procedure methodology through which you should cover for the droppers. The next we'll talk about the freshers. Now freshers are those who are appearing maybe GATE for the first time. They are maybe in the third year or maybe in the final year. They have to cover still the syllabus. Now the good news is Made-Easy has just recently launched their GATE online course, hardly 2 days back. That's why if you want to, you have the golden opportunity, you can join it, and trust me, along with that your syllabus completed, you will be able to crack GATE also. Now if you talk about the time allocated for the freshers, see this is the time we are going to divide. Now of course for the fresher, time is a little bit more because they have to attend the classes, they have to attend and then they have to study along with that. That's why I have extended time little bit. First phase will be from 1st September to 8th November. That will be of 69 days covering our major Sahab syllabus. Then the second phase will be from 9th November to 31st December. That will be 53 days. In this phase, 75% time for the junior Sahab and 25% time for the revision of major Sahab. The third phase, that will be of 31 days from the 1st January to 31st January. That will be mainly for focusing for the revision, full syllabus test series and improvement part. Now how we should classify, divide them? See the syllabus, again the same, major Sahab syllabus is the same. The only time I have extended here, I have given some extra time because you have to study and you have to make notes also. Maths 9 days, strength of material 11 days, then production I have given 16 days, bigger topic. Fluid mechanics and machinery, near about 11 days we can give. Theory of machine plus vibration 9 days and reasoning aptitude 9 days. That will be completing total 65 days. And after that 4 days will be for the subject wise. Now see the weightage. The weightage is the same, near about 71 marks question from this major Sahab you can attempt. You will get near about 71 marks question. Then the next will move to the procedure methodology. Here again 69 days, 65 days for the major Sahab, portion, subject, and 4 days for subjective test. Daily here you have to give minimum 13 hours. For the droppers it was 12. For freshers it is a little bit more. You are young, you can give extra time compared to the droppers. They are senior to you, they are old now. You can give more time. Freshers 13 hours daily you can give, and out of that, first of all, the procedure methodology. First step, you should go through Made-Easy classes, online classes. If you are having joined, and if you want to, you still can join. You can go through that. The second step will be make short notes along with that. Classes, while going through the classes, now keep a notebook and keep on making the short notes, brief notes. And along with that, you should solve the workbook also. Now, Made-Easy workbook is very properly designed in such a manner that initial questions are easier, and as you progress, toughness of the question will keep on increasing. And mind it, if you are able to solve workbook of Made-Easy, almost 75% of the question you can already able to handle out. The third step and the fourth, fifth, sixth will be the same like it was for the dropper. Third step, Made-Easy GATE previous year paper. Fourth step, Made-Easy IES previous year question paper. The fifth step will be subject wise test series, and the last one, whatever the mistake you are making in the sixth step, you have to work on it so that the mistake cannot repeat in future. Then we move to the second phase, that is for the junior Sahab. Here also I have changed the time schedule. The total time, you can see the table, this will be the total time required of 53 days. Again extended a little bit more because you have to cover new subject, it requires some extra time. And if you talk about daily, the time I have given, that is much more, which is taken by the Made-Easy to cover that particular portion. And that's why if you have joined the online classes, then also along with that classes, you should be easily follow this methodology procedure. Then the weightage of this portion, again the same, 27 marks, 71 marks for the was for the major Sahab, and for minor that is 27 marks. 2 marks you must be thinking we are missing out, a plus minus 2-3 marks is possible, fluctuations are bound to happen. Then the third phase here will be, second phase will be of 53 days, how you should divide them. Daily we have to give near about 13 hours minimum. Out of that 75% time means near about more than 9 hours will be for the junior Sahab and more than 3 hours for the revision of major Sahab. Then the third phase, that is of 31 days from the 1st January to 31st January. Here we have to mainly focus for the revision and then the full length test series, and along with that we have to keep on improving also. See, the strategy will be 14 to 15 hours daily you have to study, you have to give time. And first of all you should give revision, then give the full length test series. After that, whatever their mistakes are, note them out, and then whatever the mistakes you have made, try to work on it so that they cannot be repeated in future, means working on your mistakes. So that will be our strategy for the freshers. See, it seems a little bit difficult, tough, but very easily you can follow it. And 12 to 15 hours of study a day is not a big deal. And if you want to crack GATE, that will be the best strategy possible. If you are from any other branch, the subject name will change, the strategy should be remaining the same. So based upon that, you can use this for any other branch also. And please try to share this video with all your batchmates of even other branch also. It may be helpful to all the branches. Then try to share it as far as possible. Don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon on. Keep watching, keep rocking. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.